InvestBay app. The pros, the cons. InvestBay is a platform that offers automated investing and portfolio management with a focus on IPs and global assets. But is it right for your investment style? Starting with the pros first, automation. InvestBay handles allocation, rebalancing, and diversification, saving time and effort. Second, low minimums. Users can start investing with small amounts, making it accessible for beginners. Third, transparency. The app provides performance tracking, fees breakdowns, and portfolio insights in real time. Now, the cons. One limitation is limited customization. Investors who want control over individual assets may feel restricted. Another drawback is fees. While lower than traditional advisors, management fees still reduce net returns over time. The surprising truth? InvestBay is excellent for hands-off investors, but it won't outperform a well-managed active strategy without careful planning. In conclusion, the pros: automated management, low starting amounts, and transparency make InvestBay ideal for beginners and passive investors. The cons: limited control and fees, should be considered by experienced traders seeking more flexibility.